This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the power source so nothing powers the lamp while you work. Once the batteries are out, unscrew the bezel or head, turn counterclockwise, until the reflector and bulb are accessible. Make sure to rest the flashlight on a towel to catch springs or washers. You do this to avoid losing parts and to prevent shorting. Once the head is loose, inspect how the bulb sits. Different Maglite models secure bulbs with a retaining clip, collar, or press fit. So pause and note the retention method. Now focus on the retention mechanism. If there's a small clip, depress it gently and slide the bulb free. If there's a threaded collar, rotate it counterclockwise to release the bulb assembly. For press-fit bulbs, grip the base and pull straight out. Rocking can break the filament. You use pliers for stubborn bulbs but protect the bulb base with tape to prevent marring. Once extracted, note orientation of contacts and how the reflector nests so replacement will seat correctly. This prevents misalignment and flicker later. Insert the replacement bulb with the same orientation and seat it firmly into its socket. Re-engage the clip or tighten the collar until snug but not over-tightened. Reassemble the head, reinstall batteries, and test the light. If it illuminates, cycle the switch a few times to confirm stable contact. If it flickers or won't light, make sure contacts are clean and free of corrosion, springs are properly seated, and the bulb is the correct type. Cleaning with isopropyl alcohol and verifying spring tension often resolves contact issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.